around. It is 5 o'clock on Tuesday morning, November 5th, 2024. It is Election Day. It's finally here. Thank you so much for joining us.
Massachusetts has a choice today, a choice that's been years in the making. To move forward, to lift up every student, to finally replace the MCAS graduation requirement. This didn't happen overnight. It took grit. It took heart. A year ago, educators and our allies gathered over 170,000 signatures. Thousands stood up. Thousands spoke out.
We must confront an enduring barrier in our education system, the MCAS exam tied to the high school graduation requirement. This single high-stake test has become a gatekeeper, one that too often locks out our most vulnerable students, those who are Black and brown or low-income students, those who are grappling with language barriers, and those who are dealing with disabilities. The ballot question for us today offers a beacon of hope. We know the harms of the MCAS. It detracts from the richness of education. It actually narrows the curriculum, and it fosters an environment where teaching to the test prevails over nurturing critical thinking and creativity that education should provide. It's not an accurate reflection of a student's journey, and it's definitely not an accurate reflection of their potential. With this ballot question, we are saying that a student's self-worth, their future, cannot and should not be reduced to one single exam score. We're advocating for a system that truly captures the diverse talents and potential of all of our students, preparing them not just for this one test, but preparing them for life.
Question 2 is a promise to end the cycle of test and punish, to bring back real learning, where students are more than just a test score. Our campaign was a labor of love. Thousands of volunteers, parents, unions, educators, knocking on doors, block by block. They spread the word, poured in their energy, their passion, all to bring joy back to the classroom.
To the students who have given up the engineering, the graphic design, the electives that bring you joy and make you well-rounded critical thinkers, in place of we've taken away those classes and we've replaced them with MCAS prep classes. Those are gone. If we can win this election, if we get our communities to vote yes on 2, you get to bring joy back to the classroom.
York billionaire Michael Bloomberg. This latest donation, Mayor and billionaire
former New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg has kicked in $2.5 million for the No side.
While our opponent is bankrolled by millionaires and out-of-state billionaires, they might be able to buy billboard ads and send robotexts. But us? We have each other. We have real stories. Stories of harm. Stories of hope. We have had hundreds of thousands of real conversations to get out the vote for yes on 2.
There's a group of us who would meet every Sunday, once a month. Citizens for public school, less test and more learning, union members, parents, community activists. This isn't some rogue educator. This is us. And we're going to win this on November 5th.
And we are all in. From actor Matt Damon, the past few Massachusetts Teachers of the Year, clergy and religious leaders, from Quincy to Worcester, from Springfield to Holyoke, together, we're in this fight. Together, we stand for our kids. MTA educators have done this before. We won against charter school expansion in 2016. We passed the Student Opportunity Act in 2019. We fought and won free school lunches, community colleges, and better public transportation with the Fair Share Amendment in 2022. And tonight, with question 2, we're here again. This is our fight. This is our victory. Because when we fight, we win.